shining so bright. Two big shoes laced up tight. Three small kittens playing around. Four red balloons floating up and down.